Bor Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne shabar ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jelau ba Kyrmen Chilla ubadegru MLA jong ka Clearat constituency na East Janda Hills district ulaong bakat kum gujing sngo jong ushimet ba gujingja Rngai jong Dewïong Palat saw Hajar metric ton kala bandai na kadaw bala Rong no ko na gujing ther jong labba ubujur ha Jalla namar ba Meghalaya ga diga snong ga bujur slap tam ha perthai ha gujing kram biglat perthai kubor ba Kyrmen Chilla ulaong ba wala kata donut man kenot hanyo slap Halo kejingja Rngai jong Dewïong hendai gadi ke kamram jong kibor badai pej wan pelong ya kejing toket kapa banyak khanang banlap ya kejing shisha.
Interim report in High Court saying that 4,000 metric ton of coal is missing from the state. So what do you think about this coals are getting missing and all? Do you see that the illegal transportation of coal is going on? What do you see?
When it comes to coal, it's not that I'm trying to justify myself or for the state. Just would like to remind us that Meghalaya is one of the highest rainfall. So being the highest rainfall, and anything could happen. If you remember, where there's one allegation mentioning that because of the soil and because of the rain in Meghalaya that the flood happened in Assam, and especially from East Janda Hills, all those water it goes to Bangladesh. So never know, it could be because of the rain it carried away. Being the highest rainfall, chances is very high. So still then I cannot blame just the rain. It could be or it could be not there, but I really don't have any kind of details with me to say that whether there's any illegal. But I believe since we have the authority to look after this, there should not be any kind of practice illegally when it comes to transportation or mining, whatever it is. It should be as per law. So that is what I feel. And being the highest rainfall is very difficult to say that whether it's carried by the rain or is carried by any kind of transportation. Allegation, it might be against anybody, against any state, any department. But it's just that we need to have a proof whether it's a fact or not. So for this, they can try. Department is there, the Frontline department and different sources is there. They can find it out and they'll get a result. But I believe that our people, if it is for survival, they might do it illegally. Otherwise, nobody wants to do any kind of illegal methods where it can hamper the state or just for enjoyment. They will not do any kind of illegalities. But if it happens that about to die just for survival, then though I cannot say, it might be. But I believe our people, they will not do such kind of thing, illegalities. They are much happy, especially with the announcement of Chief Minister regarding with this scientific mining, where all of us, we are happily welcome it, and we would love to see the light of the day with this mining, scientific mining. So I believe that our people will not play such kind of fool things where the court or the law will have a chance to point fingers on us.
What is the status of the scientific mining?
Because of it's a rainy season, I cannot say exactly, but our people are trying, those who got a license, especially Ma Thomas families. So they have gone ahead and we are waiting for the light of the day. So looking forward as early as possible that the government, the moment they got the coal and they give them a challenge, then we can transport the coal legally to any source who require our coal.
The hills where the road condition has affected the masses, the people, because there was so much of dust and which has also become a health hazard for people. What is your reaction to that, and what is the
kind of construction? When there is a development, you'll always see dust, debris, all those things. That is a kind of that is a sign of development. So if nothing moves, then you see nothing. So I really appreciate this government for taking the initiative to bring development, especially to East Jaintia Hills and different part of our state, where we could see as of now we might suffer. It's difficult that we have to paint the house and all, but in the end, after everything completed, then we'll forget all these things and we'll enjoy the benefit of the God.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka binta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra